Whodunit, Tesla edition? Have you ever been scrolling through news and stumbled upon a headline that made you do a double take? Well, buckle up, because today's news involves a lawsuit and Tesla, and it's got people buzzing. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's set the stage. Tesla. The name is synonymous with sleek electric cars, futuristic tech, and, of course, the ever-divisive Elon Musk. They've disrupted the auto industry, challenged the status quo, and become a pop culture phenomenon in the process. But with great innovation comes great scrutiny. Tesla has faced its fair share of lawsuits over the years, ranging from autopilot malfunctions to workplace safety concerns. But this latest lawsuit is a doozy, and it has everyone wondering, who is suing Tesla, and why? The plot thickens. Who's pointing the finger? The plot thickens because this lawsuit isn't from some disgruntled customer or a competitor with a bone to pick. No, this time, it's the very government agency tasked with protecting investors, the Securities and Exchange Commission, also known as the SEC. For those unfamiliar, the SEC policies Wall Street, making sure companies play by the rules when it comes to raising money from investors. They scrutinize financial statements, investigate potential fraud, and ensure transparency. So, when the SEC sets its sights on a company, it's a big deal. The allegations, a tale of tweets and trouble. So, what exactly is the SEC accusing Tesla of? The lawsuit centers around a series of tweets Elon Musk posted in 2018. In these now infamous tweets, Musk declared he had funding secured to take Tesla private at $420 a share. Remember, Tesla is a publicly traded company, meaning its stock price fluctuates based on investor confidence. Here's where things get messy. The SEC alleges that these tweets were misleading and lacked a factual basis. In other words, they believe Musk was essentially making promises he couldn't keep, and in doing so, manipulated the stock market. This is a serious accusation. The SEC claims that Musk's tweets caused Tesla's stock price to jump dramatically, only to come crashing down when it became clear there was no real plan to take the company private. Investors, the SEC argues, were misled and potentially lost money. Musk versus SEC, a battle of titans? Now, Elon Musk is a fighter. He's known for being outspoken and unconventional. So, it shouldn't come as a surprise that he vehemently denies the SEC's allegations. He maintains his tweets were truthful and based on ongoing discussions with potential investors. This has turned into a bit of a David versus Goliath situation. On one hand, you have the powerful SEC, wielding the legal hammer. On the other, you have Elon Musk, the tech magnate with a massive fan base and a reputation for taking on all comers. The fallout, a cliffhanger for investors. The legal battle is still unfolding, and it's anyone's guess how it will play out. If the SEC prevails, it could mean hefty fines for Tesla and potentially even personal repercussions for Elon Musk. For investors, this lawsuit adds another layer of uncertainty to the already volatile world of Tesla stock. The broader impact, trust and transparency in the age of social media. This lawsuit has far-reaching implications beyond just Tesla and Elon Musk. It raises important questions about the role of social media in the financial world. Can a single tweet from a CEO cause such market chaos? Should social media posts be held to the same standard of scrutiny as official press releases? These are complex issues with no easy answers. But one thing's for sure, the SEC versus Tesla lawsuit is a story that will continue to captivate financial news cycles for months to come. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.